I was just a guest on the Rage Pod podcast, and they gave me a gift for coming on. So let's open it together. Okay, card. Clearly the camera's the wrong way, which I'll save. I'll read it personally. And then the box. Okay, inside, it's a gorgeous box from Neon Hippie. They are an amazing skincare brand. Look at this packaging. Oh my, I can't believe, are you kidding me? Look at all these goodies. Night Bright, Optimistic Eyes, Neon Hippie. Oh my gosh, the C Serum. I love this brand so much. I can't believe that they gave me a box. Peptide Cream. Super Luxe Face Oil. This is something I use every day. And this is actually my favorite face cleanser right now. Big thank you to Rage Pod. And thank you so much for the yummy Neon Hippie gifts. I can't believe I'm at a point where people are giving me presents to go on a podcast. Thank you so much.